guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Bells TV. What's up, Wagwan? I am your girl Cavian. I am back with another banger video. So from the title down below, you know exactly what's going to come. It's 5 shocking things that you guys never heard about me, and I'm not gonna stretch out that intro here. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what kind of challenges you want to see. Tell me what kind of prank you want to see me do on Billy, and just DM your girl. All links are gonna be in the description box with our social media platform. This video, I did a video before and it's gonna be up on our channel. So guys, if you not check out that video, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna leave it here or here, and just jump right into the video. I have my phone here with all the information, so I'm not have to forget anything. So let's count down. So number 5 thing that you guys never know that I have done before is work on a construction site. Yeah, that is one of 5 shocking things. Yes, I usually work on a construction site. This was back in 2011. How I actually work on that site, it was like my sister had a friend at the time that do those type of job. He was on contract at the time, and he wanted somebody to come and work with him, and them time they just come at home and I don't work, and I never really know the place either. I was sending out my resume and I didn't get any call at the moment, and I was just home. As I say, guys, I just come at town, fresh at town, I don't really know no way. And he like him, I mentioned it to my big sister, I say, your sister? Nah, go and go. I say, what you mean, why not? I work and the money I get, and that's how I end up there. And I think I worked there like for 3 or 4 months, and yeah, that was it. And it was okay. I never know hard. I never forget cement and them something. It was something simple, not really hard, but I see my money fortnight, and it was really good. So yeah. And the second thing is bleaching my skin. Yes, guys, I usually bleach my skin when I was probably in grade 7. And how me get into bleaching my skin at the time, I had a sister-in-law that usually bleach, and when we go to our house, we usually take out a bleaching cream. Them time they never zone gel around the place. That was like in 2004 or 5, thereabout. 2000, yeah, back in 2000. When we got fair yard, I just take her. You see, one time she have like a half a gel, with us big. Me and my other sister would just beg her it and she would give it. That's how I get into bleaching my skin. I usually bleach my entire body. Yeah, I usually rub my entire body. At one point, usually strip. At one point, until 2017, I stopped bleach. Yeah. And the third thing is talking on my sleep. Yes, guys, I'm talking on my sleep a lot. I talk in my sleep a lot. I remember one occasion when I was living in the country. One time them there primary school, and I remember talking on my sleep. How me go chop up my friend, you know, and I what the fuck? Like a bag of things, you know. I don't know what she did do me like in the day or something. But me did go and bad in my sleep, and I remember I think my niece or my sister come out with me and I say, how this a person do you? How that a person do you? Why are you talking in your sleep so much? So guys, don't tell me your secret, because I'm going to chat it out in my sleep. I don't know if I still do it now, because I hear Billy mention it to me. So I don't know if I still do it now. Yeah. And the 4th thing is that I sleep really bad. So when I sleep, my 2 foot in the pan Billy.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
And half of the bed belongs to me. Yeah, probably most of the bed belongs to me. Yeah, I sleep bad. When I say sleep bad, sleep really bad. And then the 5 shocking things you guys never knew that I usually do was smoke. Yes, the first thing I ever smoke is a cigarette butt. I'm never gonna quick story time how me get into smoking. When I was living in the country, I had this friend, and our grandfather usually smoke. Yeah. When him usually send me go shop to buy him cigarette. And when him go and sleep, take out the cigarette, me and our granddaughter, we take the cigarette and carry smoke it. So when him ask for it, we tell him we don't know where them last it or him probably throw it when we don't know. Yeah, that's how I started smoking. But 2017 I stopped smoke completely. I smoke cigarette, I smoke weed, I stopped smoke altogether. And I know this was a short and quick video. I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys like it. Guys, don't forget to follow us on our social media platform. All the links are going to be in our description box. And don't forget, guys, to check out our previous video. She's pregnant and the I'm sorry video. I'm going to link those as well at the end of the video. So don't forget to check out those videos and share them out, guys. And we really and truly appreciate all the love and the support that we have been receiving. And as I said, just subscribe, like and share if you want to see more pranks, if you want to see more challenges.